So today we will talk about moles. Um, if we define mole, we say mole is the amount of a substance which contain constant number of particles, and these are 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. And when we understand this thing, that 1 mole, it is always related to 1 mole, and mole is represented by n. That if we know the mass of 1 mole, that is called molar mass or MR, we can find the mass. If we know the particle present in 1 mole, we can calculate the particles. If we know the volume occupied by 1 mole of a gas, we would be able to calculate volume. So these are the formula we usually use. But here we have a very good option to learn these formulas through our triangle formula. See, we have 3 triangles. Suppose one I draw for no, we need to divide in this way. Now this part of the triangle, sorry, this part of the triangle, this part of the triangle, this part of the formula is placed at the top of the triangle. For example, you have written here mass, particles, and volume. So for mass, you put mass here. For particle, you put particle here. And for volume, you put volume here. Now the rest of the things equals to n into mr. You put n here, n here, n here, n into mr, and into 6.02 into 10 square 23, and this is 24. Now, why this is so easy to learn, that you don't have to just rearrange again and again. So you can see, if you want to find mass, the formula is n into mr. But if you want to find n, what happened? M over mr. It is already arranged, right? If you want to find mr, what is the formula? M over n. So you don't have to rearrange it again, or you just don't have to think how to rearrange. It's a ready-made easy way to learn, right? So these are the formulas. Now how can we apply it in the question? I'll tell you in the next video, right?